Aim of this experiment is test for pyrogens. The objectives of this experiment are to understand that parenteral solutions are subjected of official test for presence of pyrogens, to understand that official tests are pharmacopoeial standards for pyrogen testing, to understand that fever response given by rabbits is official biological method used as an criteria to test for presence of pyrogens, to develop skill in operating apparatus used in measuring fever response.
Requirement: animals: 3 healthy adult rabbits of either sex weighing not less than 1.5 kg. House the animals individually in an area of uniform temperature with uniform humidity. Materials: all glassware, syringes and needles washed with water for injection and heated in an hot air oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Treat all diluents and solutions to assure that they are sterile and pyrogen free. Rabbit holder: it should retain animal with loosely fitting neck, stalks and rest of the body remains relatively free. Room temperature should be within 30 degrees Celsius to that of rabbits housed area. Preparation of sample: dissolve the substance being tested in or dilute with pyrogen free saline solution and warm it to approximately 38 degrees Celsius before injection.
Pyrogens are high molecular weight lipopolysaccharides. If introduced into the human body, causes transient fever. The constituents of outer membrane of the cell wall of bacteria has pyrogenic activity. Such constituents are known as endotoxins. Injectable preparations must be free from pyrogens, so efforts are made to prevent pyrogen contamination during manufacture. Methods are also available to test end product whether they are free from pyrogen or not. The pyrogen test is designed to measure the rise in temperature of 3 rabbits following the intravenous injection of test sample. The dose of test sample should not exceed 10 ml per kg given intravenously within a period of 10 minutes. To the marginal ear vein of rabbits, test sample is injected at 37 degrees Celsius with a difference of 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature is recorded at regular interval of 30 minutes after the injection.
Endotoxins: a heat-stable toxin present in the intact bacterial cell. These are lipopolysaccharide complex which are pyrogenic. Marginal means an edge or border.
To record temperature of test animals, an accurate temperature sensing device such as clinical thermometer or telethermometer is preferred. Such device has been calibrated to assure an accuracy of 0.1 degree Celsius. In such case, temperature sensing probe is inserted into the rectum of test rabbit up to the depth of about 5 cm.
You are already aware that injectable preparations must be free from pyrogen contamination. The test for pyrogen is designed to measure the rise in temperature in rabbit due to contaminated injectables. An apparatus, telethermometer, with 6 probes is used for the test. It consists of mains on-off switch, digital counter, rotating knob, 6 probes and sockets for measurement of temperature. Calibration of telethermometer is a prerequisite. To check the test sample for pyrogen, always select 3 healthy rabbits of either sex. These animals must be previously conditioned and housed according to IP. Place the animals individually in rabbit holders. Now insert the temperature sensing probe into the rectum up to a depth of about 5 cm. Record the normal body temperature of each animal before the injection of test sample every 30 minutes for a span of at least 90 minutes. Do not use any rabbit showing body temperature higher than 39.8 degree and lower than 38 degrees centigrade. Now inject the test sample into the ear vein of each rabbit. Here, water for injection is used. The volume of injection is not less than 0.5 ml per kg. Record the temperature of each rabbit at every half hour for 3 hours duration after the injection. You shall observe the rise in body temperature of all 3 individual rabbits is less than 0.6 degrees centigrade. This is indicative of the fact that the test sample is free from pyrogens.
So this is the observation table. Rabbit 1 has a temperature difference of 0.2 degrees centigrades. Rabbit 2 has 0.3 centigrade and rabbit 3 has 0.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so which is less than 0.6, and the sum of temperature difference is less than 1.4, that is 0.7. So by this we can say the sample passes the pyrogen test. So observation, interpretation: if the sum of responses of the group of 3 rabbits does not exceed 1.4 degrees Celsius, and if the response of any individual rabbit is less than 0.6 degrees Celsius, the preparation being examined passes the test. If the responses of any rabbit is 0.6 or more, and if the sum of responses of 3 rabbits exceeds 1.4 degrees Celsius, continue test by using another 5 rabbits. If not more than 3 of 8 rabbits shows individual response of 0.6 degrees Celsius or more, and if the sum of responses of group of 8 rabbits does not exceed 3.7 degrees Celsius, the preparation complies with the test of pyrogens IP.
You have learned that telethermometer with 6 probes is used as an apparatus or device in recording fever response. Prerequisites for the test must be strictly adhered. A preparation is said to be having passed for test of pyrogen only if the sum of responses of a group of 3 rabbits does not exceed 1.4 degrees Celsius, and the response of any individual rabbit should be less than 0.6 degrees Celsius. Failure to obtain the above result test must be repeated employing 5 other rabbits. In all, 8 rabbits are employed in the test. Under this condition, not more than 3 of the 8 rabbits should show individual responses of 0.6 degrees Celsius or more, and sum of responses of the group of 8 rabbits does not exceed 3.7 degrees Celsius. It is only then a preparation is said to be finally passed the test for pyrogen.